What the hell?
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Jackson County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Harmon County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Hardeman County in northern Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Goodland, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts sensing pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Jackson, southeastern Harmon, and northwestern Hardeman counties. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.